Hello everyone and welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, your premier pre-owned RV dealer in the Southeast. Today we are proud to present a stunning 2018 Entegra Aspire 42 DEQ. A 43-foot, 4-slide, tag axle luxury diesel pusher wearing Entegra's breathtaking Windswept full-body paint package with glossy gold, maroon, and white striping that over a beautiful black base absolutely glows in the sunlight. Only 46,000 gently driven miles on this coach, and it shows the meticulous care you expect from a flagship-level motorhome. It is built on the legendary Spartan K2 raised rail tag axle chassis with full air ride suspension and full air brakes, giving you one of the smoothest, most stable rides in the entire industry, and comes with brand new tires all around for peace of mind for years to come. Power comes from the proven Cummins ISL 8.9-liter diesel, producing a massive 450 horsepower and 1,250 pound-feet of torque, paired with the silky Allison 3000 mh 6-speed automatic transmission and electronic shifter. Walking the exterior, you'll see enormous full pass-through basement storage compartments on both sides, including the power slide-out cargo tray that makes loading and unloading effortless. Up top, you have the power Girard patio awning with wind sensor, power entry door awning, slide toppers on all 4 slides, a full window awning package, and a complete exterior entertainment center with 32-inch TV and soundbar. Additional features include 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls, rear and side view camera system, a 15,000-pound trailer hitch with 7-pin connector, and Entegra's one-piece fiberglass roof. Let's open every bay so you can see exactly what you're getting. Driver side. 50-amp power cord on a power reel with detachable extension. Magnum inverter/charger. Battery disconnects. Easy battery access. Onan 10.0 kilowatts, quiet diesel generator on a slide-out service tray with autogen start. Perfect for extended boondocking. 3 15,000 BTU roof-mounted air conditioners with heat pumps. AquaHot 400D hydronic system for endless hot water and zoned furnace heat. Heated tile flooring throughout the entire coach. Heated and enclosed holding tanks for true 4-season use. Water bay includes city water hookup with regulator, black tank flush, outside shower, dedicated hose storage. Every compartment is fully lighted and finished to Entegra's flagship standards. inside. 4 slides out and this coach feels palatial. Front living room. Massive L-shaped sectional pull-out sleeper sofa. 50-inch TV with soundbar, electric fireplace with real heat, plus another 32-inch TV mounted above the dash. Opposite is the table dinette with 4 chairs. 2 fold up and stow away in the closet when not needed. Full gourmet kitchen. Stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, extendable solid surface countertop, dishwasher drawer, electric induction cooktop, convection microwave, residential sink with high-rise faucet, deep pantry storage. Everything you need for full-time living or entertaining a crowd. Mid-coach bathroom area is huge. Double vanity with solid surface counters and 2 sinks. Private enclosed room with large radius glass door shower, power vent fan, porcelain toilet. Rear master bedroom. True walk-around king bed with premium mattress, ceiling fan, 32-inch TV, nightstands with outlets, drawer storage, and an enormous wardrobe closet. Full-size stackable washer and dryer already installed and vented, ready for full-time use. Cap on this incredible 2018 Entegra Aspire 42 DEQ. Only 46,000 miles, 4 full slides, TAG axle Spartan K2 chassis, 450 horsepower Cummins, Aqua Hot 400D, heated tile floors, dishwasher, stackable washer-dryer, king bed master, L-shaped sectional sleeper, exterior entertainment center, Windswept full body paint. This is flagship luxury at its absolute finest. This coach is clean, serviced, and ready for immediate delivery. Call us right now at 864-2609-276. Email sales@portersrvsales.com or visit www.portersrvsales.com to schedule your personal walkthrough today. Thank you for watching Porter's RV Sales. We look forward to handing you the keys to this spectacular Entegra Aspire.